Hi everybody, welcome to SEAMETAL channel again. I'm very happy to introduce you more about our company's product. In my previous videos, I have introduced around 4 types of car rubber seal strips to you. And today I bring you a new one. It's similar to the last 4. It's made of high quality EPDM, high quality rubber, and used on your car. And you can use it for car door or car front or rear with windshield. Let's open it and take a look first. This one is quite different, and it's an upgraded version. You see here 5 holes design, and it's 2 layered. You can see a little B here, so you can also call it a B typed. And it's very soft and flexible, non-toxic, and when you use it, you find it's strong and elastic, and stability is good, and also it has a high resistance to weather, to temperature change. And even you use it in winter days or hot summer, and will not be deformed and stay well with your car. The function is similar to other rubber sealing product. It's soundproof and water or dust proof. This one is an upgraded version of the design, so you can use it for sure. It can assure you drive very safe and with a good sound insulation, and make sure you're driving have a good experience. We also will spend some time to show you for this 5-hole double-layered design, and we have 5 meters long, and also we have 16 meters long, and wow, we also have even got 25 meters long, and it's long enough to cover the whole car body. I mean the front or rear windshield or car door. And also for this product, and adhesion promoter is provided and with the package. And when you need to use it, first clean the car, then you put this adhesion promoter first, then you gently remove the tape and paste it. Let's come back to this 5 meters long, and we'll spend some minutes with the outside and show you how to install it. But I'm quite sure you can do it well and by yourself. It's an easy installation, and first you need to clean the dirt or stains on your car, and please clean it completely, and use the wet and dry towel. And after it's dry, you can see there is a protective adhesive tape on the back of strip. You can just gently remove it and put this strip like this on the position, and then press it firmly and make sure it can stay well with the car. After installation, please leave this car unmoved and untouched at least for 2 to 3 days, and make sure it can stay steady and well with the car. And then you can have the car wash, and you will find it is quite good, working quite good, and have a good sealing effect. You find the driving cabin is so quiet, so make sure you can drive happily and your comfort level is upgraded. Hello, we are with the car now, and going to show you how to install this 5-hole car sealing rubber. Okay, first let's clean the car door. Okay, first have your car clean, then we use this and remove this tape gently, and starting from here. You can have a whole picture of this, and we choose 5 meters, so we need to cut off the extra part. As you can see, the installation job is simple, and you can do it for yourself. You can do the same for the other side of the door. And this is a whole look of the whole picture. And it's nice and help to protect your car. And when you close the door, it works well. And open, no impact. If you like my introduction, if you think it's helpful with your online shopping, and please support me and give me a thumb up and subscribe our channel, and I will introduce more product to you. And thank you very much for watching.